Hey guys, so I wanted to chat with you a little bit about one of my most favorite cleaning products right now that you can just make at home and it's non-toxic. So if you have any dirty, stinky rugs or even just carpet or pets or anything, this is a great product to make at home and use. And speaking of pets, mine is trying to get out here to be on the video. I can tell. Oh, there he comes. Hi, bud. But anyway, okay, so let's get to it. All you need for this is a jar, some baking soda, and then the essential oil purify. So those are the ingredients. Oh, and you need a cheesecloth or something that you can put. Hey guys, so today I wanted to chat a little bit about to you about one of my newest favorite cleaning products. And so this is something that's non-toxic and that you can make at home. So it's super important that we start to transition our cleaning products to a more sustainable, green, non-toxic, and I even say green lightly because you can buy some green products in the store. Most of them still have a long list of questionable ingredients, and you also might notice that you get kind of a stuffy nose or something. So this is completely pure, completely non-toxic, and a great easy product to make and have around. So we are going to make a carpet cleaner. So this is great if you, like for me, I have a rug kind of in my entryway that tends to get kind of stinky, and Charlie, my dog, loves to sit on it. So of course it's his body grease and kind of all that stuff. So I love to use this on there. This is also great if you have carpet in your house, maybe if there's stains or spillage, or if you have animals and so they have accidents or anything like that. So all you need is a few ingredients. You need just a jar. So it's important that we're doing anything with oils in a jar. You need baking soda, and then you need the essential oil purify. So and you also need like a cheesecloth or something that you can kind of sift it through, and you could even punch holes in the top of your jar. So really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take our jar and we're going to take our baking soda and put about 2 cups in there. So I'm just going to measure it out. Got some ounces on the side of it. Fly on me. Okay. And so for every 2 cups, you are going to do about 2 to 3 drops of purify. Now, purify is great to purify the environment. So in rooms, I love to use it in my kitchen, around my laundry, and for cleaning as well. I also like to put 1 drop in my laundry. So every time I do my dryer, instead of dryer sheets, I use this. Okay, so you're going to just put 2 to 3 drops. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm just going to tighten that up so nothing gets out. Shake it around a little bit. Get that essential oil kind of in all of the baking soda. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, and then we have our baking soda cleaning product. What I do next is that I take my cheesecloth, I double fold it, I just put it right on top. I actually kind of split it to make a little bit of a bigger hole there, because it comes out, the cheesecloth doesn't exactly let it come out very quickly. So I just put my topper right on there. Ooh, go ahead and take stuff. And then I have the top, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on my rug, on my carpet, leave it for about an hour, and then vacuum it up, and you have clean, fresh carpets and no toxic products.